Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to delete your ChatGPT chat history, it's simple. First, open up the ChatGPT and go to the settings by clicking on your profile icon in the corner or click the two lines at the top left. Okay? And once you're there, look for the manage history option. Okay? And you can just do it like manually by holding right here the search history and then click delete and double click to confirm that you want to delete that memory. Or you can go ahead and click your name. Next to your name, you can see the three dots and you can see the options from here, right? And you can see the personalized, right? And you're gonna see the memory. ChatGPT will become more helpful as you chat, picking up the details and preferences tailor to your tailor its responses to you. You can see right here manage memory, right? And you're gonna be able to see all of your memories right here, right? Or manage history. And click on it and you will see all your past conversations listed. From there, you can either delete individual chats by clicking the trash can icon next to one another or like next to this chat, right? You can swipe right to see the delete and delete it individually. Or if you want to clear everything, you can just choose clear all ChatGPT's memory, and that's it. Your chat history is now gone. It's quick and easy way to keep your chat private. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.